Welcome friend. So today I will show you how we can make a logo, an interesting logo. So go to the browser and I simply type make a logo. Okay, there are many websites you can see. I prefer this loca.com. So we have to go to this and now simply follow the steps. Enter your company name like I am entering O2 and hyphen ml practitioner. Okay, okay, practitioner. Let's make a logo. Pick up your industry. It's like so. I am picking education. Okay, continue. Pick up some logo you like. So if you like any logo from this, then you can pick up that. Okay, okay. Let's skip this. Pick up some color would you like. So actually, I prefer this color and continue. Add a slogan. Okay, so like simply write. You can do that, or you can do it. Continue. Pick up some symbols. Type like I prefer teacher and learning student. Pick up my own symbols like okay. I prefer education. Okay, and learning. You can select from there if you go to the. So actually, I will select this bulb and I will now go for academic. What is there? I don't like anything here. Reading. Yeah, I like this one. Anything else like technical knowledge, attention, analysis. Okay, I like analysis. So what is in the analysis? Okay, I go with this plot, something like technology type. So I search tech and I will go with this. Oh my god, there is AI available. So I think I want this. So I will. Okay, I will go with this. Okay, finally continue. Let's see what we got. Go to ML practitioner. You can do it. Okay, okay, boss. I can do that. Okay, this one is good. This one also good. Oh. this one also, and this one, so one also this. So whatever you like, you can go with that. Okay. What else we have? My type is not coming, I think. Actually, this was good. Let's see what is inside it. Color is not good actually. Slogan is okay. So here is we can do some changes with this. Okay. Wow. These are really fantastic logos. Oh, I go with this finally. I don't know you like or that, but I like this one. Click to choose. Okay, finally I choose. So now here is the key thing. If you want to download this logo, then you go to download option. Then this website want you to sign up, which you don't want. Then there is a trick. So you simply take a screenshot of this. Okay, I take screenshot of this. Now I go to the screenshot here and here right click and open with and 3D. Now we can crop this to make our logo. Okay. This is how it is. Yeah, done. And now you can save this image and desktop. Okay, logo. That. Then here you go. Go to the desktop and this logo. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So this is how you make a logo from this website, loka.com. There are many websites, you can choose that one. It's up to you. Okay, thank you, take care.